नमा बेंगलुरु। आज हम व्हाइट फील्ड में दिव्य श्री टेक पार्क में, और यहाँ हम विजिट करेंगे पोलारिस स्कूल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी का सुपर मॉडर्न एंड अल्ट्रा कूल कैंपस। और वहाँ जाएंगे कैसे? वहाँ हम जाने के लिए हमें लेने आएगी पोलारिस की लिमोजीन। So before we reach the campus, I think it's very important for us to tell you here why Whitefield. I think we were looking for three things in our new campus. So number one, we wanted our kids to be right in the middle of a tech community. We wanted them to be bang opposite where the action is and have the ability to interact with as many developers as they want to. And I think Whitefield is one of the oldest IT hubs in the city. Late 90s का hub है. More than 250 companies, 500,000 developers, global companies like IBM, Dell, SAP, Oracle. So much happens here. So I think that was reason number one. Reason number two, we did not want our campus to be in the middle of the city because middle of the city में काफी noise होती है, काफी pollution होता है, काफी distractions होते हैं, and there's a lot of chaos. We wanted it to be towards the outskirts of the city so that our kids can have the best of both worlds. While they're accessible to the city, but they should also be able to enjoy a little bit of cleanliness, greenery, serenity, and the peace that you typically associate with a four-year campus. And the third, but one of the more important parts, कहा जाता है ढूंढने से भगवान मिल जाता है, बट बैंगलोर में मेट्रो नहीं मिलती। तो हमें था कि यार हमारे बच्चों के लिए इट शुड बी दैट कम्यूट शुड बी वेरी इजी, एंड फॉर्चुनेटली व्हाइटफील्ड इज वन ऑफ दोज वेरी फ्यू लोकेलिटीज in Bangalore which have a great connectivity, and that made our decision super quick and super easy. And then comes the second part, that why did Polaris even need to have a new campus? What are all the things जो आज के Gen Z kids want in their four-year campus? And then we came to know that apart from classrooms and coding, kids want a lot of playing space, kids want a lot of entertainment space, kids want a lot of brainstorming space, kids want a lot of content creation space, and for that we said that let's do a bigger campus. Polaris का जो पहला campus था वो 15,000 square feet का campus था. This campus has space up to 1.75 lakh square feet, and in this campus we have tried to create all the things that any Gen Z kid would want in their four-year program. Whatever things we could not find in IIT and BITS and all these prestigious campuses, we said कि यार कुछ वैसी चीजें भी यहाँ पे build करते हैं, so that this does not just become a computer science school, but it becomes a life school, it becomes an experience school. And for that, we decided to build a much more cooler and a much more swankier Polaris new campus in Whitefield. हेलो।
हेलो सर।
मेरा नाम है मुकुल, आपका नाम क्या है?
आई एम प्रियांशु।
हाय प्रियांशु।
Hi, I'm Sushmita.
हाय सुष्मिता।
हेलो सर, आई एम अक्षत बरना।
हाय अक्षत। कैंपस टूर एक गेम है, ठीक है? इसको गेम की तरह खेलेंगे, और कैंपस में आपको अलग अलग जगह ये ग्लास बोल्स दिखेंगी। ग्लास बोल्स के अंदर क्या है?
Chips.
आप उठाओगे चिट, हर चिट में बेसिकली कोई एक्टिविटी, कोई चैलेंज, कोई पजल होगी। उस पजल को करेंगे साथ में सॉल्व। जैसे हम पजल को सॉल्व करेंगे उसके बाद जाएंगे कैंपस की नेक्स्ट स्पेस में। तो चलो सबसे पहले हम उठाएंगे एक एक चिट, ठीक है? तो आपके चिट में लिखा है कि PAT, पैट की फुल फॉर्म क्या होती है?
Polaris admission test.
क्या होता है पोलारिस एडमिशन टेस्ट?
So it's the way to get in Polaris. So you have to appear for an exam.
Cool. So that's the right answer. PAT stands for Polaris Admission Test, and every year thousands of aspiring kids give the test, and out of that some people get selected. So congratulations for being in Polaris. Second chit, let me reveal the surprise to you. What is the size of the new campus of Polaris?
I think it's around 1.75 lakh square feet.
1.75 lakh square feet.
Yeah.
That's also a right answer. Cheers buddy. अगर ये तीनों कर लिया आपने तो मेरी तरफ से आपके लिए एक सरप्राइज होगा, मेरी तरफ से एक ट्रीट होगी, बट उसके लिए तीनों आंसर्स होने पड़ेंगे। तो थर्ड चैलेंज, थर्ड पजल ये कहता है कि पोलारिस का मतलब क्या होता है?
It's like a hill station.
नहीं 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 नहीं, पोलारिस इज नॉट अ हिल स्टेशन।
कोई जगह का नाम other than that?
नॉट रियली, नॉट, यू डोंट नो इट?
No.
ठीक है, फॉर ऑल द व्यूअर्स, पोलारिस के नाम का मतलब बताएंगे हम वीडियो के एंड में। स्टे ट्यून्ड। दिस स्पेस is the first space that anybody entering the campus sees. It is the reception of Polaris School of Technology. Polaris campus, if you look at it, it's in a radial format, right? And this was designed from a human perspective. Whenever somebody hugs anybody, it is in a radial format. Those hands are in a radial thing. So we wanted to make it a space which is very comfortable, very spacious, and basically resembles a human hug, because every kid who walks into this door, they are completely safe and secure and in our hands. So that is why our reception is not just a reception, it's a welcoming gesture, and it's an open invite to anybody who wants to be a part of Polaris campus. Cool. So our पहली space में जाएंगे, which is very much inspired from any high-tech Hollywood science fiction movie that you would have seen.
Sir, you just
Yeah.
spoke about sci-fi movies. I want to know what is your favorite sci-fi movie?
Yeah. So the first time I saw a science fiction movie, I was very very young, and I saw this movie called Matrix. And Matrix में बस मुझे याद है कि बहुत सारे colors हैं, बहुत सारे smart weapons हैं, and people are doing acrobatics, and there are a lot of neon lights over there. This space is a lot inspired by Matrix. Matrix was green, this is orange and other colors. That's the only difference. Come, let's show you something. Guys, welcome to the Innovation Lab of Polaris School of Technology. यहाँ पे इफ़ यू सी, यहाँ पे कोई वाइट बोर्ड्स नहीं है, कोई ब्लैक बोर्ड्स नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं होने वाली है. यहाँ पे आपको लेटेस्ट मैक्स मिलेंगे, आपको 3D प्रिंटर्स मिलेंगे, आपको ड्रोन्स रखे होंगे, यहाँ पे आपके पास AR/VR के हेडसेट्स होंगे. दिस स्पेस इज स्पेसिफिकली मेड अप so that you can make, break, learn, iterate, build whatever you want to. Perfect. So let's see more of the innovation lab. By the way, before we go into the innovation lab, आप लोगों ने कहानियाँ सुनी होंगी. गूगल और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट इस टाइप की कंपनीज कहाँ स्टार्ट हुई थी?
Garage?
हाँ, exactly. तो ये जितनी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज होती हैं, ultimately all of them started out of garages 50-60 years back, in 60s and 70s. Now, every scientist and every innovator in their life, when they want to build something big, they have to do a lot of 0 to 1 testing. They have to do a lot of experimentation. उसके लिए लगती है जगह, उसके लिए लगती है equipment, and that is what is called a garage. So we just started thinking कि 2025 का अगर कोई modern day garage होगा for somebody who wants to build really cool stuff in tech, what would that be? And because everybody can't build a garage for themselves, we thought, why should Polaris not build a modern day tech garage for all its students? So guys, this is our garage for all the students who are in Polaris. इस garage में basically आपको क्लासरूम्स नहीं दिखेंगे, आपको प्रोजेक्टर्स नहीं दिखेंगे, आपको बुक्स नहीं दिखेंगी. यहाँ पे कोई किताब नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको वो करना है जो किसी किताब में आज तक लिखा ही नहीं हुआ. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, वन ऑफ आवर स्टूडेंट्स इज राइट नाउ डूइंग 3D प्रिंटर प्रोजेक्ट. 3D प्रिंटर में जो प्रिंट हो रहा है वो Polaris का लोगो है. So I think by the time we complete the campus tour, 3D printed Polaris logo will be ready and we'll show it to you.
तो सर आपको ये आइडिया आया कैसे?
यार मेरा आइडिया बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. ये आइडिया दिया हमारे Polaris के फर्स्ट ईयर के कंप्यूटर साइंस स्टूडेंट्स ने, एंड वी ऑल्सो फाउंड इट वेरी यूजफुल बिकॉज जनरली इस टाइप की जो लैब्स होती हैं, जो एक्सपेरिमेंटल स्पेसेस होती हैं, ये इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में कम होती हैं, बट दिस इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फीचर ऑफ US इनोवेशन, US कैंपसेस, US यूनिवर्सिटीज़. वहाँ पे इस टाइप की बहुत स्पेसेस होती हैं, एंड दैट इज़ वाई यू सी कि यार US से कितना ज़्यादा इनोवेशन निकल के आता है. तो हमें रियलाइज़ हुआ कि इफ़ वी वांट आवर किड्स टू इनोवेट, this is the first step that we have to solve for them. Cool. So now that you have seen the innovation lab, and we should show you the next cool space of the campus, उससे पहले हम एक करेंगे challenge, right? So one of you pick up a chit and then let's see what the challenge is. Whoa, this is going to be a slightly tough challenge, but what you have to do, you have a playing cards, right? You have a deck of playing cards. यहाँ पे आपको एक house of cards बनाना है within 30 seconds. If you do it well, we'll quickly move to the next space. Otherwise, we'll wait.
Okay. It's very hard.
Good guys, Innovation Lab is meant for creating things, and you've done your step 1. Let's move to the next space. Congratulations. So now we will go to the space number 2 of this super spacious campus. Welcome to the radial auditorium of Polaris School of Technology. Now look around and take a deep view of this entire 180-degree space in front of you. It's one of the prettiest spaces in the campus, and a lot of industry stalwarts, industry celebs, they will come and share their entire story of building businesses, building products, building technology. काफ़ी सारी niche and specialized workshops, चाहे फिर वो robotics की workshop हो या फिर वो कोई AI/ML की workshop हो या कोई एक emerging technology पे, a lot of those special sessions for kids will happen here. One of our dreams is that some kids from Polaris also become great tech founders in the future. आपने देखा होगा जैसे Y Combinator में भी ultimately जब founders अपना big round raise करते हैं. They are on a stage and they are facing their audiences for the first time and they are explaining their product and what do they want to do. And a lot of 19-20-year-old kids get very nervous because they've never done it before. This is a stage for kids who want to practice content creation, who want to practice public speaking, who want to understand and learn pitching. Maybe there comes a stand-up comedian from Polaris who probably would practice a lot of his first sessions over here. And this space hopefully will fulfill a lot of dreams and a lot of non-conventional careers coming out of Polaris. The difference between good and great techies is that great techies also know how to sell their products well. And these great techies are the ones who become founders, innovators, and like great researchers of tomorrow. And that is why we have made a rule at Polaris that every time a young emerging techie has created anything good, चाहे वो एक छोटा सा line का code हो या वो, they will have to come and present that to their entire peer group. Because when they do it, then they will understand the questions that their potential consumers can ask, and then they will also learn how do you explain and sell what you have built to a larger mass. Because at Polaris, we not just want our techies to be good at building, but also good at presenting. This room is going to become a part of your life. This was space number 2. Space number 3 में जाने से पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें? एक चैलेंज और करना पड़ेगा. This challenge is perfectly designed for this room. Challenge ये कहता है कि वो एक Rubik's Cube है. And imagine there is an audience that is out there sitting in the room. आपको basically Rubik's Cube की एक sales pitch मारनी है and you have to tell that why that Rubik's Cube is better than most of the Rubik's Cubes in the world. And this is one of the most practical use cases of this entire retail space. Cool, all the best.
Alright. Do you all see this Rubik's Cube right here? ये आप सब techies को मिलना ही चाहिए. तुम puzzle solve करते हो, कभी आता है ढंग से करना? नहीं. This Rubik's Cube will make you so smart. इतना smooth कर देगा ना तुम्हारा दिमाग that you will be able to solve any puzzle. Now, coming to the speciality, why are we choosing this Rubik's Cube? Because this was 3D printed in our own Polaris lab. Can you imagine that? Wait, it's not over. It has a AI voice module. एक गलत move and it will tell you that you're doing the wrong move. It's so efficient. Why would you want to miss out on this?
And this is exactly what I was talking about. Like the greatest techies in the world, they're not just good at building stuff, but they're also equally good at selling stuff. Today, you need to build, you need to present, you need to sell, and you need to make that product look very attractive, not just for the users, but also for your potential hirees as well as for the potential investors. Imagine this was her first take. If she does it for 4 years straight at Polaris, imagine how good will she become. Now, welcome. This is what I call the social zone at Polaris. This is mostly for beyond the classroom chats. It's like a breakout zone. Classrooms and all can keep on running, but if you want a break from that and just want to chill out for a while, I think there is no better place in the campus to chill out than the social zone. Most of the meals that you'll have with your friends are going to be here. Most of the time that you just chill out with your friends and do nothing are going to be there. This is some space where you can play a lot of video games and arcade games with your friends. There are going to be a lot of AR and VR headsets over here where you can play digital games. But overall, this is the entire space for beyond classrooms. Now that we are here, यार, तुम में से किसी ने बास्केटबॉल खेला है बचपन में? किसने खेला है? मैच लगाओगे? Cool. Let's have a match. कैसा लगा? पहली बार खेला जिंदगी में? बट इन जनरल आई थिंक कोई ना कोई जेंजी तो होगा जो अभी भी फिजिकल स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हो. वैसे एज जेंजी लाइक जनरली डू यू प्ले फिजिकल स्पोर्ट्स या फिर आप सिर्फ वर्चुअल गेमिंग करते हो?
ज़रूर खेलते हैं, फिजिकल और वर्चुअल दोनों खेलते हैं.
आपने क्या खेला है लाइफ में?
कबड्डी एंड क्रिकेट.
एंड डिड यू डू प्ले इट वेल?
यस सर, आई बीन टू नेशनल्स.
कांग्रेचुलेशंस. ठीक है, अगली बार मिलेंगे तो रीमैच करेंगे. All jokes aside, apart from physical games, we know that Gen Zs like to play a lot of virtual games. So we have built some of those into the campus also. But before I take you there, where is Priyanshu?
Sir, kahan?
Oh, he's already playing. Cool. So let's show you how what the AR VR gaming space looks like. So I think our champ is already busy in a good boxing game. While he enjoys this game, come on, we'll show you a different space. And now I will take you to one of my favorite spaces in the campus. I think this is a very unique space. Not many campuses in India have this, but this is like a gaming room after 6 p.m. and a high quality computer lab during the day. This has a lot of monitors, a lot of capacity, a lot of wide screens so that you can do your image processing projects very cleanly. These are very high RAM systems so that they can handle the latest AI models that you want to work on very easily. If you want to build a prototype for your projects, you can also do that. And everybody who uses these computers, they also get a headphone and a mic so that they're not disturbed by anybody else. But more importantly, post 6 p.m, this turns into a big, wide, beautiful gaming room, and you can always enjoy a quick session of Fortnite, PUBG, Counter-Strike, whatever games that you and your friends play. You can enjoy a very good session of high quality LAN gaming and have a great end to the day. So good here, while you have your burrito bowl, there is one more bowl that I have for you, which is the chit bowl. And before we go to the next space, we have to pick up one chit and do the next challenge. So this challenge says that identify the healthiest ingredient in whatever you are eating.
So it is Rajma.
Paneer.
Rajma healthy होता है, पनीर healthy होता है.
I think paneer has more protein.
So enjoy your food, and then we'll go on to the next space, which is very, very exciting. And now, so this is a space that a lot of you would really, really love. This is basically Polaris's own dedicated space, only and only for students to come and create content for them. Come, we'll show you our studio. So this is like the studio. This is already soundproof from outside. There are all sorts of acoustic capabilities built in this room. This will have all sorts of lights. This will have all sorts of stands, cameras, anything and everything that you need for your creator journey. All of this will be here. The only thing that you will have to bring is your own spirit, and if you do that, you will be the creators of tomorrow. 2 साल पहले अपनी content journey start की थी. मेरे को अपनी पहली वीडियो का स्टूडियो आज तक याद है. And I'm pretty sure Polaris के कुछ बच्चे, when they go and hit their 100k and 1 million 2-3 years down the line, this is the space they will remember, because this is where their first ever video would be shot. So this is a place that will build a lot of careers and a lot of memories. And now we'll go back to a little more academics and a little more tech space. And now as we move to the next... Yeah.
Who are these people?
So these are a lot of supporters, well-wishers, investors, and early backers of Polaris. And they are all with us in all their spirits and blessings and well-wishes forever. So yeah, there are some special people behind Polaris. And now we come to a wall which is called PST Pride. This is one of the most regal walls in Polaris campus. PST Pride is out there to celebrate all the students who do something really special in their lives. There is nothing called Polaris success. The success is of students, and successful students make Polaris successful. And all the students who do something special at a young age, and they have a great outcome, and they make their families and the institution of Polaris proud, we actually dedicate this wall to them, and we keep putting small infographics about them. And if you look closely, I think 2 out of you 3 are in this photo. Can you just show where you are? This is you. This is you, Priyanshu, and this is Akshat. You've done something good in your first year. Let's hope you do even bigger things in your next year. Come on. And this is a health center, so that in case you need any sort of help and any sort of professional guidance, or you are feeling unwell, this is where we'll ensure that you stay in your best shape possible. Let's move on to the primary classrooms, where actual sessions, actual teaching, and actual academics will take place. Cool. We are on the first floor now. Welcome. Welcome back. We are now entering one of the classrooms. This has a capacity of 100 to 150 kids, depending on how large the classroom is. And this is where most of your classroom sessions, all of this preparation and academics is going to happen here. 5 classrooms in this entire premises. All these classrooms are soundproof, so that any sound of this classroom does not go outside, and any sort of disturbance from outside does not come in. So that when you study, there is no interruption, and there is only concentration so that you can get the best outcomes you want. Real life software professionals, people who are already coding at different places, who are already doing a software engineering job at some places, these are the people who come at Polaris and teach, because only a professional can teach you how to become a professional. And another thing that we want to be very cognizant about is that we want to have a very strong teacher to student ratio. Only a few hundred kids actually make it to Polaris, and then those kids get to learn from a lot of mentors and faculties while maintaining a very strong and a very optimum student to teacher ratio. And अब हम चलेंगे second floor of the campus. And now we come to the last space of our tour. This is what we call a wellness space. All sorts of meditation sessions, yoga sessions, music retreats, silent zones, and all sorts of extracurricular clubs. All of that will happen into this space. This is sort of a replenishment space for you once you are tired of all other things that you do in the campus. And if you need to refresh your soul, I think this is the perfect space for you. So last challenge, let Akshat pick up a random chit because he has not done this. The last challenge is, are you ready for it?
Yes.
Are you ready for it?
Yes.
All of you have to do a plank successfully for 30 seconds. Let's do it. $15 seconds to go. Only 15 more seconds. Only 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clapping, sir. Very well done. Please get up, please get up. Challenge successfully completed. Campus tour successfully unlocked. Thank you, and this was really good. But yeah, this space is for this. While you do a lot of mental upskilling in your classes and projects and group activities, but your physical wellness, your emotional wellness, and your spiritual side, all of that will come out into this space. I think every week we'll also have dedicated meditation sessions in the mornings and the evenings for kids who want to participate in it so that they can be healthy, wealthy, and wise. And that is what is anyway our top goal at Polaris. Tell me one most unique thing you noticed or one thing that you love the most about the campus.
I think for me it would be the gaming zone, and especially we can train LLMs and create our own AI because of the high specs that we have present here. It is one of the best areas for me.
Interesting. Priyanshu, what was your...
So for me, the well-being, like this place is very nice and I can meditate.
Oh, you love meditating? You love the sessions that we'll do there?
Yes.
And after
I think my friends just gave me both the answers that I wanted to say. I think I've never seen like professors letting their students play after 6 o'clock. That is amazing, and I would love to, play tomorrow.
You guys have been a great sport at this. Thank you for taking the entire tour of different spaces, asking different questions, completing a lot of challenges, by the way. Thank you for that. And we look forward to the next class of Polaris students coming and joining us very soon. And together, let's create the future of technology in India. So I think we have covered most of the things that we are supposed to in the video. Two things remain. What is the exact meaning of the name Polaris? We'll chat about that. And secondly, there was a small surprise from the 3D printer. Let me also show you that. This is the first ever logo of Polaris that was printed in-house in the 3D printers at the Innovation Lab in the campus. We are going to keep it forever. We'll frame it. We created during this video. And secondly, I get a lot of comments, and one of the challenges to the young kids was, why is the name Polaris? Kahan se aaya? Kya matlab hai? But Polaris is essentially an alternate name for the North Star. Hindi mein jise Dhruv Tara kehte hain, English mein jise Pole Star kehte hain. So Pole Star is basically at the center of the night sky, and it is said that the Pole Star stays constant while the entire world revolves around it. While the entire world of technology and tech careers and tech workforce, all of that will keep evolving. But Polaris has to be always constant and always there. Secondly, in the historic times, Pole Star or the Polaris, it used to give constant direction and navigation to sailors, help them discover new lands and new continents. I think Polaris wants to be that guiding light for all the upcoming techies of today and help them discover their own lands and their own specializations and their own careers. And last but not the least, North Star is that one single thing you want to do or one single goal you have, and to create an institution जो उन बच्चों के लिए जो AI से डरते नहीं हैं, but who want to win the world with AI as a tool in their pockets. I think to mentor and to create that tech talent, वो हमारा नॉर्थ स्टार है, and to achieve that north star we have created Polaris School of Technology. तो यार आज हमने देखा, I think we saw a lot of things today. हमने innovation lab देखी, we saw all the modern gadgets. I think a lot of kids will create their first ever prototypes in that lab. I think it is going to be the hub of innovation in this campus. Then we also saw the personality zone, the radial classroom. That classroom I think is not just for students to learn, but also practice a lot of presentations, a lot of public speaking, a lot of learning from industry celebs, a lot of learning from industry legends. I think it's our crown jewel. And then we also saw the breakout area, which is the entire social zone as we call it. Social zone is where the heart of the campus lies, because it is the one which is filled with most energy and most laughter. It's very important in somebody's after school life. And then we obviously saw the classrooms, soundproof classrooms, modern equipped classrooms with all kinds of learning gadgets, as well as very efficient student to teacher ratio. Then we also saw the creator studios. And ho sakta hai one of the Polaris kids turns out to be tomorrow's MKBHD. Who knows? I'd be really happy if that happens. And one of the very special spaces in the campus we saw on the second floor. It's very important that kids at Polaris are healthy, not just in a physical manner, but physically, mentally, emotionally. It will be the place where people refresh and replenish themselves after a long week at the campus. And with all of this ready, we look forward to welcoming our upcoming batch at Polaris School of Technology. So that's for the video. Bye bye and see you soon at Polaris School of Technology.